Welcome. In front of me is an HTC Desire 20 Plus, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. And to get started, let's open up the content that we wish to capture. I'm going to be using settings as an example for this. And once it's open and visible on your screen, simply press power key and volume down at the same time. Okay, it looks like we need to hold it, so let's do that. There we go. So once you hold it, both of the keys, it will capture a screenshot where you can share, edit, or delete it. And that's about it. Sometimes there's also a toggle for it in the notification panel, but it looks like that's it's not present in here. And I believe there's also one on here because this is basically as stock of an Android as it gets. When you hold the power key, it also brings up, yep, there we go, a screenshot option in the power menu. But it is completely up to you which option you will go with. Both of them do the same exact thing, just can be accessed in two different ways. Now, once you have captured your screenshots, you can find them in your photo gallery. Now, once I actually find my photos, I can completely not see my photos. There we go, found it here. Okay, so in here you should see your screenshots. Now, assuming you have more than just screenshots, it will create at the bottom different categories, so you could go into your screenshots folder where you will find only the screenshots. Anyway, let's just tap on it, and from here you can see in the screenshot itself, or two of them. And that is how you capture them. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.